Santander is one of the largest financial groups in the world, and we have a key presence in 9 countries, mainly in Europe and South America. Through the Santander Foundation, we work with UK registered charities to work with disadvantaged groups in finance skills and educational projects. We also run a staff match donation scheme, which means that our staff can fundraise for any UK registered charity. With our new Social Enterprise Development Awards, we're looking to work with established social enterprises looking to grow their business through social inclusion, employment or training, or creating a greener environment. Santander decided to work with the Community Foundation for Merseyside because they have the local expertise. They are excellent at bringing together organisations like ourselves with the charity world, which helps us form great partnerships to go forward.